Hey everyone, my name is Jake Williams and I'm the Global Master Extensionist for Showpony. Today we're here in the Netherlands, in Rotterdam. It's my very first time, so I'm very excited. So I'll be working on a really deep brunette hair colour. I guess for the root colour, I'm kind of seeing it's quite a cool, rich brunette. In through the ends though, you can kind of see where it kind of warms up a little bit. So in terms of colour, what I really want to show here today, I guess, is a bit more dimension in the hair. So we're already seeing a little bit of dimension coming through those ends. You can kind of see where that kind of warmth really picks up. That's from some existing colour that already is in the hair. Then we have those natural roots. That's why they're a little bit cooler. So we're going to take our darkest brunette that we have in the range. I'm going to mix that then with a really nice, rich brunette. It kind of sits in the mid-range. I guess a lot of clients bring that in. They might think of Kate Middleton. Kate Middleton definitely has that kind of rich brunette on the ends. Mixing that into a colour like this, it's really beneficial because it's going to be commitment free, but it's also going to mean that you're not going to lift out this old hair colour and reveal all those reds and oranges. And so that will really turn off a lot of people from going lighter when they have a dark brunette hair colour. So the hair type I'm dealing with today as well, it's very dense. There's a lot of hair here. This would not be your typical hair extension client because I'm sure a lot of people are sitting here thinking, hey, she's got fantastic hair, she's got lots of it. Why would she need hair extensions? That's exactly the point we're trying to prove today, is that we're not just doing hair extensions for length and thickness, we're also doing hair extensions to add in colour, add in dimension, and really thinking about the health of the hair. In terms of placement though for this colour, because the hair is so thick, if I start too low, all of this hair on top is going to be covering all of those extensions. So you won't actually reveal any of the colour that you're putting in through the extensions. So what I want to do is take a look at where this layer is sitting, and then that will determine how high I need to take my extensions. Now you don't want to go up too close to that crown area because that's where we're going to see those extensions. But what we do want to work with is enough hair to still cover them so they'll hide there in the back. You can kind of see this area here. If I pick this up and I show you, that's falling into that top layer here. So if I add in extensions, just on this top piece here, it's sort of falling on the round of the head. If I add in my extensions here, it's going to start showing through in that area of the hair as well. It'll be beautiful. So I've done all my back placement now. I've actually done 3 rows. So this would be what we'd class as like a essential application, an essential full head of tape application. So we've started with our row of 2, a little bit higher than usual just because of the density of the hair. Then I've moved up into my middle row, and then again going to that top layer that you can kind of see now where that's popping through. You can really see that warmth that picks up on the ends, and it gives it a very, very natural dimension to the brunette. Once we cut and blend that in as well, I'll break up that top layer where it's a little bit heavy and you'll really see that colour pop through.